Hey, so we are back. Let me check real quick because I hope that the video has sound. Once again, it's like I forgot to test. Okay, so the last video where I outed a serial killer. Ah, wait a minute. This is this one. So yeah, you cannot access it because it's being recorded. Oh yes. Okay, cool. It's working. Just that it happened one time that they shut up the noise, and so MIT they just wanted to have the video, all the videos cut out of the analysis of the website. But it's like, oh, and I didn't record the website, the state of the website, but I still took pictures. I need to do that as well. I need to do that to scrub the entire website. I'm pushed to give a punch to other people so that they will not take the punch, while they have done so much shit, apparently, because like the entire order seems to be pissed at them. They don't have many friends, it looks like, huh? Just people sharing interests. But the thing is that I have more interest, I have more things to offer on so many levels. So many levels. I have this. I don't know why I'm putting this here, but it's Cristina Jorge. What is this? Yeah, I have some papers. I didn't analyze. At some point, I was just like, okay, I'm leaving. Goodbye. Have it all. And I didn't take a look at absolutely everything. So perhaps the people coming at night, they smuggled more information, you know. It's like this bag. In the end, like I had like I had my nose was broken and so on. It was bleeding, blood. Um, and it like was like some clothing and so on the floor, like well made and so on. It was the bag, and it was close to a trash, but like was just like everything well. And so there was this as well. So what I was doing is that I was putting everything back in there. I was taking t-shirts. I was taking um it's like everything was started up by bloodlines, like this is bloodline 2, this is no, O 06. But then I didn't take everything in notes. Yeah, it was a bit chaotic at some point. I was like, okay, perhaps I'm leaving right now, and I put everything there. Attack. So my luggage was just like with one just broken off. I was like, ugh. And at some point, I finally left. Oh, it was amazing to leave. When I had the phone, my phone, I was crying. I was like, oh my god. Finally, I can do it. I can make it. I can live. Finally. So where were we?